Thinking about a little home improvement? MAPEIHome.com helps you to build your dreams, letting you turn wishes into realities. MAPEI Home takes the guesswork out of the tile and stone installation process, making it simple with easy-to-follow guides, inspirational blogs, and advice from industry experts. Plus, you'll find handy tools including product calculators, printable shopping lists, and a retailer locator. From kitchen backsplashes to shower floors, MAPEI Home covers the instructions, products, and tips that help to successfully bring your tiling projects to life. And if it is inspiration you are looking for, look no further than MAPEI Home. Our blog and videos are sure to spark your creativity. Both formats contain a wealth of current trends, classic designs, and bold expressions. And both contain ideas that are easy to create on your own using MAPEI products. Because once that inspiration strikes, and you're ready to get started, MAPEI Home's step-by-step installation guides will walk you through the details of the project. Plus, the frequently asked questions section provides practical, easy-to-understand answers to common and not-so-common tiling questions. Product calculators on the website are designed to help you with your project, calculating the amount of MAPEI products needed to get the job done. Then, the calculated amounts of those products are added to a printable shopping list. No more guesswork. Simply go to the store and pick up the necessary materials. There's even a retailer locator, which makes it a breeze to find nearby MAPEI retailers. Stop dreaming and start building at www.mapeihome.com. Also check out the DIY Facebook page at www.facebook.com/MAPEIHome. MAPEIHome.com, helping you to build your dreams.